Hey, we got some work to do at Stonywood today. We've been kind of goofing off for a while, but it's time to get busy. I've got a lot of trees that are down. You can see one of them behind me here. There's several more that got to be picked up. So that's what we're going to work on today. We are going to get the chainsaw out and we're going to cut them up so that we can move those and get them out of the way. So I'll kind of show you what's going on. So if you look over here, here's the first big tree that we got to clean up. And then we've got another one that you can probably already see over here, a little farther over. And we've had a lot of trees that have died recently in the last year or two and fallen over. So here's the other tree that we got to get down, but there's two more right here that are marked with an orange flag. And that one was marked, both of these were marked with flags before. Well, we've got an orange flag on this one, and we got an orange flag on that one. So we need to take these down too, because they're going to fall. And then there's another 2 trees over there, and we've got a whole bunch of other dead trees down there. So we're going to be busy. We got a lot of work to do. We got about 6 or 8 weeks before the grass is going to start growing. So that's our timeline. So we're going to get busy today, and we're going to take care of it. So there's a little bit of wind out here today, and Neo's struggling a little bit with it. So you may see that in the video. I don't know. I can hear the pitch and the propellers changing as it's fighting with the wind. so it's pretty close to the end of the day, and we're going to wrap it up. But we did real good today. We got a lot of work done, and so we got this big tree cut down or cut up. It was already on the ground. We got it cut up, and we got that all taken care of. And then we cut down 2 trees that were over here, and that's this laying down here, and this one. So right here's where that one came from, and we had another one over here. So we've taken down 2 trees plus the one that was already there. Everything is cut up. All of it is cut. And it's ready to be piled up somewhere. Not quite sure what we're going to do with it just yet. But we may burn it out here, or we might put it somewhere else. And in any case, we got a whole lot of work done today, and it's been very productive. So I'm real happy about that. And yeah, so it's quite a bit of wood. It's got a lot of wood. I think I'm going to have a helper next time to try to pile all this up, and I could sure use it. So it took us a couple of hours anyway to do this, and we're making progress. There's nothing else that's dead over in that wood line. There's a dead tree hung up over there and another one, but I can't do anything about that right now. But yeah, everything looks pretty good. I've got some dead trees up there, but I'm not going to worry about it. They're not in the way at all. I got a dead tree here that's not in the way, but I really need to cut it up. And another one over there that's headed over toward the Bucky Bottom. So it's past these trees over here laying out in the field. So that one needs to get cut up because it's laying in the hayfield. So we need to get that one. And then we'll be done here in the cove. Around the corner in the clover patch, we've got about 4 or 5 dead trees that are still standing, but they won't be forever. So we'll have to take care of that. That'll be our next thing. It's been a beautiful day. This is the last Saturday of January in 2025, and it's been a beautiful day. It's been really nice. The temperature's been about 45 degrees, I think. It's been really good working weather. So I'm really thankful to have it. We've had some really bad weather for the last week. It didn't get over 25, which is unusual for this part of the world. So we're real happy to have this good weather and be able to get some work done. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll show you how this turns out.